Hey, Wildflowers. I am so excited to share one of my sweetest, most adorable gift trays full of useful goodies, perfect for any gardener. Plus, I am adding a Lowe's gift card to help you get even more garden supplies. So you're going to have to stick around to the very end because at the end, I am launching a giveaway with gorgeous items in here. In this little gift tray that I have, you can win all of these gifts in this tray and the Lowe's gift card. So I have my notes here with me, guys, because I have a few little things I want to go over with you about the gift and the giveaway. So let's jump right into it. Look, y'all, look how adorable this gift tray is. And let me tell you, the tray is repurposed drink trays. Now, I have friends and family that I get these from, and I repurpose them for gifts like this. I bet you have never seen anything like this. It's so adorable. Now, I don't eat out, but like I said, I do repurpose these. So let's jump right into the sections of the tray for a gardener. I have a adorable hand lotion for the hands. Our hands definitely get dry as gardeners, and we definitely want to moisturize our hands. Oh, yeah, I'm trying not to mess this up because it's so cute. I have these adorable little hair clips to definitely keep the hair out of the way while you are gardening. And I have another one here that's a beautiful, I don't know if y'all can see these, but I hope you can. These adorable little hair clips for your hair. So adorable. And you just drop these right into the tray. I definitely have a lip balm because us girls, we have to stay moisturized. We have to keep our lips popping just like we do with our skin. For all the melanated women out here, women of color like me, you want it to be popping. And for your lips, we all, beautiful women, want to have moisturized lips. So as gardeners, we can get out and our lips can get very dry from just working in the garden. So I put this cute little coconut and pear Burnt Bees lip balm in here. So adorable. You just drop it in your tray as well. Now I have definitely these cute plant spikes, and I tie this cute little ribbon around them. And what you're going to do with these plant spikes is these will fertilize your plants and to help feed them. So you just stick them down in your plants and just go, and they will be fertilized. And you just stick them in your little tray as well. So perfect for a gardener. Now, next I have, let's go to the cute little notepad. Look at this, y'all. It is definitely a cute mini notepad that I have here to jot down garden notes, or reminders. You can make little shopping lists, whatever you want to write in here in your little notepad. And it also comes with a adorable little pen. This is a little pineapple pen. So freaking cute. And you just stick that down in your tray. Like I said, it's a repurposed tray. And it just sits there. It's very perfect. It's very sturdy there. And next I have who we as gardeners, we definitely need the spray bottle. If you see, I have the spray bottle here. And for the spray bottle, you want to mist our seedlings. We definitely want to mist the seedlings. So I put a cute little spray bottle in there as well. Now we definitely need the shears. You can get large ones, but I like little tiny mini things. And we need those for deadheading our flowers. So you definitely want to You can even stick larger ones. You can stick different colors in your color themes. You can choose whatever color. As you can see, I have the pinks and creams here. So girly, so feminine like me, because I really, really like girly and feminine things. So you definitely want to use the shears definitely for the deadheading the plants. So moving right along, we have these are my plants. I think I call these my plant markers. And y'all, these are plastic knives. And you can take a resistant to water, make sure that they're water resistant. And you can write, if you have zinnias, whatever kind of plant you have, write it on there. And then you just it helps label your plants and clearly make them. And you can just stick them in your seedlings wherever, and you'll know exactly what you have planted in your garden. And definitely have some gloves here. These are gardening gloves. They are rolled up, tied with a twine, and they are sitting in this cute little terracotta pot. I also have some gardening seeds, some cute little gardening seeds that are in an envelope. They're rolled and they are tied with a twine as well. Now, who doesn't think this is adorable? Don't think this is adorable. This is the most cutest thing that I have ever seen. In the very top, if you can see this, I have a cute little flower. If you're gonna be giving a gift like right away, like that same day, you can put a real flower there, a rose or a whatever type of flower, whatever type of your color theme is. You would just take that flower and cut it down and just lay it there. I have a real silk artificial flower there because it's a gift that I am giving, and they're not going to get it for a day or two. So that's why that one is there. So, like I said, I want to make sure I've got everything in the little pot, but you can choose whatever gift ideas that you have for a gardener and just place it in the little 4 section trays, and you can give this as a gift. So, I want to mention to you, let's talk about the giveaway now. So, here's how to enter my garden um, gift tray giveaway. I want you to make sure you are subscribed to my channel. It's definitely free and it helps me out so much. You like the video to show me some love, and I'd like for you to drop a comment below sharing your favorite gardening tip or what you've added to your own gift tray, or what you would like to be added to your gift tray, even as the giveaway. You might have some ideas and you may be the winner to get it. So if you just give me some ideas of things you like, then I may consider putting those in the gift tray as well. And for the bonus, I want you to share this video with someone that's gardening, a gardening friend, to spread the joy. So I'll be doing a random draw to pick one lucky winner, and the giveaway is going to close within 7 days from today. Today is Friday, and I'll announce the winner in my next video. Here in the pinned comment. So what the winner will definitely do is you'll need to contact me at girl grows wildly at gmail.com, and I'll have all this, my email, linked in the description so you can get that. You're going to send me your email with your full name and shipping address where you want it to come, whether that's a PO box or your address, so I can send you the prize directly. So please respond within 7 days of the announcement. I'll have a pick. I'll have a new winner picked within 7 days. So I'm really excited, y'all. I am so excited about this giveaway because it's going to have some beautiful, charming things in it. You just see this one today, but the giveaway is going to have even better gifts in it. So I want to mention my disclaimer. The giveaway is not sponsored or endorsed by YouTube. It's just my way to say thank you, thank you, thank you to my subscribers, to my awesome community here, even though I'm just starting. I am so thankful for all of my subscribers, all of my viewers, the people that keep coming back, my community. So that's just a way of me saying thank you. So if you love this, please make sure you get to the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching and good luck on the giveaway. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. And for more gardening tips and DIY ideas, which I love so very much, I am very talented in creating DIY gift trays, baskets, and things. As you can see here, this is a idea that some of you probably have never seen before, and you will definitely see many, many more. So I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next video.